Today, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit your Facebook business page short description. This is a crucial element of your business presence on Facebook, as it's one of the first things potential customers see when they visit your page, so making sure it's clear and compelling can really help with first impressions and engagement. First, you'll want to head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to your business page management area where you can control all aspects of your page. After clicking on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your business presence on Facebook. Now locate the action bar at the top of your page. You'll see several tabs here, and what you're looking for is the About tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab contains all the detailed information about your business that visitors can see. Once you're in the About section, you'll see several tabs that organize different aspects of your business page information. To add or edit your short description, you need to click on Intro. This section is specifically designed for your business's introductory information. Here, you'll see a bio field listed among other options. Next to the bio field, you'll notice either an edit button or a pen icon. Click on that icon to open the editing interface. An introduction or business description field will now appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Enter the short description you wish to add for your business page. Make sure it's concise, engaging, and accurately represents what your business does. This description should quickly tell visitors who you are and what value you offer. Take your time crafting this message, as it's a key part of your business identity on Facebook. Once you've entered your description and you're happy with how it looks, click on Save to finalize your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added or edited your Facebook business page short description, giving visitors a clear snapshot of what your business is all about. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.